So this is a little bit more detailed video on how I applied the bling to the blue set that I did in this Watch Me Work video. So right now I'm just getting out all my bling. And this is the first thing that I do when I'm doing any bling. I always get out all the bling that I plan on using, and then I pretty much plan out the design and get all of the stones out and ready just to make my life easier. That's just how I do it. You know, you can do it how you do it, but this is my video, my tutorial. So that's what we're doing. And for this design, I'm just getting about 3 different shades or 3 different color stones and just lining them up from smallest to biggest for this design. And just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this part. If you want to see a longer version, go ahead and check out the Watch Me Work video. Okay, so once I have all the designs laid out, that's when I go in with my Sticky Icky Bling Gel and my gel brush and apply the product where I want the bling to be. So that's what you see me doing here, just getting some product. And the design has a matte finish and the product cures with a high shine finish. So just keeping that in mind, I don't want to put too much product down so that you can see that shine. So yeah, if that makes sense. Not putting too much product down. And then you see me kind of feathering it out because I want that product to reach all of the stones, but not enough that it's, you know, sloppy and sunk into that product. So now I'm gonna go get my micro beads, and I use micro beads when I want the bling design just to, you know, be a little extra, just because it just adds that extra little elegance to it, to me, in my opinion. And for this particular design, I started from the top and worked my way down. And I started with that micro bead at the very top, and then working from the smallest the smallest stone to that bigger stone, and then just going back into the smaller stone. So that's what you see me doing here, applying that bling into that Sticky Icky Bling Gel and also applying the micro beads. I like to apply the micro beads while I'm working on a little bit more intricate designs because the micro beads kind of help the stones stay in place. A little tip. Okay, so I have everything applied, and now I'm just going in and straightening everything up, making sure I have micro beads between all of the stones. And again, I'm just straightening up this nail before I cure it, because the last thing you want is to go cure your design and it come out crooked, or it's cured and your stone on the end is hanging off. Just check your ish before you cure it. Okay, and now I'm going in with my gel brush and just feathering out where you can see some of that product is a little bit bulky. I just came in and feathered that out, just smoothed it out a little bit. And I know you can still see it, but we're gonna fix it. And this is the end result. So after I feathered it out and I cured it, I went back over with a matte top coat, and this is the finished design of the entire set that I made. You can check it out on my website. And if you're interested in a longer video, definitely watch the Watch Me Work video of this. But thank you so much for watching, y'all. Bye.